So this is just going to be a quick video. Right here is Billy the Kid's grave, along with a couple of his friends that he ran with during the Lincoln County War and after. These are grave markers of other people. This is a grave marker of Joe Grant. If you remember from the movie Young Guns, I want to say it was Young Guns 2, when they were in a bar or a tavern and Billy goes up to a guy who's dressed nice, who said he's going to hunt Billy the Kid and kill him. This is that guy. Over here, you can see a large headstone, and then there's some after it that are also people who were in Billy the Kid's life. Notably Maxwell, last name, who was the person who owned the property and whose bedroom Billy the Kid was in when he was shot by Pat Garrett. Over here, that one right there is a friend of Billy the Kid who said that he was one of the first people on scene after he was shot by Pat Garrett, and how they had to pick up his body and carry it to another building where they put candles around him. And all I could think about was, all these people are just people. Their only claim to fame was that they fell in the orbit of Billy the Kid. Now imagine that. Had Billy the Kid not existed, or had he not come out west, or had he not gotten embroiled in the Lincoln County War, or had he not become a regulator, these people might be a footnote in history, if at all. There are millions of us whose names will never show up on a history book or a Wikipedia page or an encyclopedia. Nobody will ever even know we existed out after our death. And these people, their only claim to immortality is that they fell into the orbit of Billy the Kid. And then it makes you wonder, what would it be like to know that you are only a footnote in someone else's life? You are not the main character. You are not the point of the perspective character. You are not the hero of the story. You are a side character in someone else's life, and that is just a terrible thought. Well, at least for me. All right, so I'm done here. I'm going to leave. Thank you for coming along, and we will talk again later.